Cleaning and sanitizing are two important steps that are needed to prevent food contact and non-food contact surfaces from becoming a source of contamination. Although the words cleaning and sanitizing are often used interchangeably, it's necessary to understand that they are two separate processes that serve different purposes. Cleaning is always the first of the two steps and is the process of removing debris and residues from a surface. A detergent should be used during the cleaning process to help break up debris and residues, making them easier to remove. Sanitizing then follows cleaning. Using a sanitizer reduces microbial populations without negatively affecting the product or its safety for consumers. It's important to use detergents appropriate for the type of debris and residues found on produce farms and in packing houses. Detergents must be food-grade and intended for food contact surfaces to ensure effectiveness and that harmful residues are not left behind. This information can be found on the label. The label also includes important information such as how to use the product and optimal conditions for its use. These include pH and temperature ranges the products should be used in to maximize their ability to work. For example, alkaline detergents with foaming properties are more effective at removing fats and oils associated with produce like avocados, olives, nuts, and seeds. Selecting an appropriate sanitizer is equally as important as selecting the correct detergent. Sanitizers are intended to remove the remaining microbial populations after proper cleaning and removal of debris. Sanitizers must be labeled with an EPA registration number for food contact surfaces and lists the type of microorganisms the sanitizer is intended to control. Additionally, sanitizers must be complementary to the equipment they are intended to be used on. Some sanitizers have corrosive properties and can damage equipment that is being used. Sanitizers must be used according to the label instructions. Workers who use sanitizers must also be trained to use them properly for their safety and to ensure effectiveness. Now that you know the differences between cleaning and sanitizing and what to look for in a detergent and sanitizer, you can follow along with the next video on how to apply these concepts.